Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Volvo V40 key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. It's also a good idea to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process for replacing your key's battery. The first step is to remove the mechanical key. Look for a small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and then gently pull the mechanical key blade straight out from the fob. This action reveals a small slot that you will use in the next step to carefully open the key casing. Now, with the mechanical key removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. The fob should separate with a soft click. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note its orientation and insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Then, align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its slot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.